Okay, so let's start cooking. So get your oil in the pan, and I'm just going to put the timer on, and then I'm going to add some whole spices such as cardamom and some cinnamon sticks going in. And there's me messing around with the heat just to make sure it's on medium to high. And then we're going to get some garlic. I've got 4 chopped garlic cloves in there. There they go in. Just going to gently fry it. I'm going to add my onion in there straight away and let the garlic and onion cook together. And we're just going to caramelize, soften the onion. So onion's going to make our curry base. So that's what it is going to be. It's going to make our sauce for the dish. We won't be using any base gravy. We're just going to be making it from scratch. Again, 15-20 minutes, you can make a curry from scratch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And so once it's caramelized, we will continue. Make sure the heat is on a medium to low, and you are gently caramelizing, softening the onions. While that's happening, what I'm doing now, I'm going to be chopping up some coriander, some green chillies, as well as going to get chop 1 tomato into sort of dices. And yeah, there's a green chilies going in, so I'm going to add the green chilies. I've got 2 green chilies in there. It's optional. If you want to add some green chilies for some extra heat, you can do it at this point, or you can do it later as well. I'm doing it now. And it's also going to give a nice aroma to the curry as well. Just a reminder, guys, if you are following this video, keep an eye on the timer, because I am fast forwarding some of the bits and pieces to save you time. So yeah, I'm going to add some hot water on the pan just so it doesn't burn. And again, this will help soften the onions and okay, time to add our tomatoes. So I've just chopped it up, and again, that's going to help make the curry sauce. I'm using vine tomatoes, so try and use some nice sweet tomatoes, and that's going to help enhance the flavor of your curry base. And I'm going to just put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. Add salt to your taste. So we're going to 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of mixed curry powder. And then chili powder, add to your taste. If you want to skip that, you can do. So I've gone for half a teaspoon. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of tomato puree straight out from the tub. And I forgot to add our 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So again, this stage, really important, cook the spices really well. Timer is on about 11 to 12 minutes, and for some reason I've hidden the stopwatch. So I'm going to add some water, a bit more so the spices don't burn, and again repeat that process before I add the final layer of water to make our curry sauce. So another minute or so has gone by, and I'm adding the final layer of curry of the hot water to make our sauce. If you want to make the curry more have a saucy curry, guys, then add more water to make to have more curry sauce in there. There we go. I'm adding a bit more. There we go, fantastic. And let all of that come to a simmer. Let it all boil up, and the oil sort of rises to the top. And go for the consistency you want. I like a good abundant style dish, so that's what I'm going for here. Drop a scoop of ghee in there now. Give it nice flavour, as you will. Put the heat down. And now, guys, I'm going to take a good pinch of methi. Probably about 1 good tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon in that. Really important stuff, guys. Do not add too much methi, otherwise it'll go bitter. I will make garam masala. So again, it's very powerful stuff. So just a pinch. If you want the recipe for this garam masala, it's on my TikTok, so check that out if you want to. And there you have it, guys. Our methi chicken is cooked. Again, like I said, I've gone for the Buddha style, so nice and dry, thick sauce. If you want more sauce, add more water. And if you've got base gravy, you can add some base gravy as well. Don't forget, if you like what I do here, guys, hit that subscribe button, follow the channel, comment, share, do all the good stuff. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy this recipe. There it is. Check it out.